You all already know that I'm a very busy mother of 2 active kids. What you might not know is I always try to balance my work schedule with time to travel for fun. This summer, my family and we took to the skies and landed in where, Cree?
Europe.
Europe. Today, my son Cree, this is Cree, y'all, right here. I love embarrassing you, is joining me to help me recreate a taste of Italy, the quick fix way.
Let's get to cooking.
Let's get to cooking.
Let's go.
Let's go. First things first, a big thank you to all of my subscribers. If you are joining Quick Fix for the first time, thank you so very much. You know, we have been cooking up food, fun, and just making priceless memories. So be sure to check out all of our Quick Fix episodes. Hit that subscribe button and you'll always be the first to know when we launch a new episode. So, you guys, we took an incredible trip to Europe. Do you want to tell them where we went?
We went to France first. And then after that, we went to Portofino.
Portofino, and where else?
And then we went to Tuscany.
And then where?
We went to Florence.
Florence, yes.
Yeah.
And we had so much fun, you guys. We ate and ate and ate. And some of our favorite recipes that we had in Italy would definitely have to be pasta. So we are gonna show you how we make pasta 3 different ways, right? And first, we're gonna start with our lasagna roll-ups. You can have this dish on your table in less than an hour. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
Okay, do you wanna show them how we do that?
The quick fix way.
Quick fix away. Okay, Cree, so first of all, we're gonna make our lasagna filling. So this is like a traditional filling for lasagna, right? And we know you love what?
Cheese.
And what do we say? Cheese!
Glorious cheese!
All right, so first what we're gonna do is we are gonna crack this egg. Do you wanna do the honors? Now remember, the object is to not get a shell in the mixing bowl.
Hopefully I don't.
Okay, you got this, Cree, let's go. Great, there you go. Okay, there you go, you're doing a great job. Yay! Now what I do want you to do,
Wash my hands.
Yes, see? Cree, you did an incredible job. Okay, so we have an egg here, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some ricotta cheese. Oh gosh, this cheese is so creamy. Mozzarella cheese, we're just gonna add just a little bit. Let's add some salt, and then we have pepper. This is garlic powder. This is fresh parsley. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna mix all of this together. Look at this, look who wants, I'm telling you guys, he loves food. What is like your favorite memory of our trip to Europe?
My favorite is when we went out to the boat for 6 hours. That was very fun because I got to snorkel.
You did, you got to snorkel and you saw some fishies.
Yeah, it was like 60 feet.
It was deep.
Yeah,
I think it was deeper than that, Cree.
Like maybe like 200.
And that was the first time you did that, and I'm so
I
proud
remember
of
when we were
you.
about to go, it was like our 3rd to last day there. Then we are going to Florence for one day.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh no, I have to get this in. So then I jumped like 5 more times. And I was so scared.
I know, we all were scared.
I jumped once and I was like, get me out, get me out.
Yeah.
And the waves were like,
yeah,
they were very
that
extreme.
was fun. We're done with this, so what I want you to do is I want you to now put some tomato sauce, just a little bit, like maybe like 5 tablespoons to do that, like maybe 5 times. There you go. And just put it down just like that. Let's get 5 of these in here. While Cree is working on that, I'm gonna show you guys my lasagna. Now, you wanna make sure that you get long pieces of lasagna pasta. Okay, Cree, this is perfect. Okay, watch what we're gonna do next.
Put the lasagna thing?
I mean, look at you. See, he already knows what's up.
Then that's the first layer, right?
Well, no, we're doing our lasagna roll-up, so I'm gonna show you how we roll these bad boys up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, that one's yours, okay?
Okay.
And then this one.
So we're rolling these up.
We are rolling these up.
Like
Yes.
a pizza roll.
Well, yes, we did a pizza roll, but now these are lasagna rolls. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a little bit of this filling, like so, and then we're just gonna put a little dollop there, and we're just gonna spread it, just like this, and just spread this around, just
That
like
looks easy.
Right? Okay, Cree, so you liked getting on the boat. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
What else did you like doing?
In Europe, Villa.
The villa?
Yeah.
What, in France?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
They had like 2 acres of land. You can like play.
Two what?
Like 2 acres.
Acres.
Acres. You can play I play football all day with Grandpa.
Yes, it was so much fun. Now we're gonna add some more stuff to our lasagna. And what's really cool about this dish is you can really add whatever you want. Like you had mentioned arugula, but what we're gonna do today is we are gonna add some meatballs. Do you remember having meatballs in Italy?
Yeah, it was delicious.
Oh my gosh, Cree, it was so good. Now, Mommy, her favorite part of Italy was just drinking the wine.
Of course.
What does Mommy call wine?
Mommy juice?
Yes. Mommy juice. So Mommy was just having a blast with some Mommy juice in Italy.
And with Auntie too.
And with Auntie. My sister Tamara and her family came. And my gosh, we were just, okay, this is perfect, Bree. We were just cutting up. We would walk the streets. Remember walking the streets?
Oh yeah, in Florence.
In Florence.
Yeah, that was fun.
And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some spinach to this. So you see how amazing this looks? This is called our lasagna roll-up, so that's what we're gonna do next. We are gonna roll these bad boys up. So we're gonna start here.
Oh, I remember another good thing I liked.
Okay,
The
what?
pizza class.
Yes, you guys, we took a pizza class and they taught us how to make pizza from scratch. That was a lot of fun, right?
And I
Bree?
learned a lot.
You did. We're just gonna place it in just like
Gentle.
that. Gentle, nice and soft. Look at this, Cree.
Mine's big.
Yours is big and it's perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put our foil on top of this. Now traditional lasagna, it usually takes, guess what?
70 minutes.
60 to 70 minutes to bake. And this is only gonna take 30 to 35 minutes to bake.
Because that's the quickest way.
Yes, hey. All right, Cree, so another pasta that we are gonna do today.
It's gnocchi.
Yes, but this is my quick fix potato gnocchi with tomato cream sauce. How does that sound, buddy?
Good.
Okay, what I like to do is get store-bought mashed potatoes or mashed potatoes that have been like, you know, left over that you made the night before, right? So this is about 2 cups of mashed potatoes and we're just gonna add this in here, right? There we go. And then can you help Mommy out?
Right, stirring
Okay,
it.
next what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese, boom, pepper, there we go, and some salt. Now, Cree, we're just gonna mix all of this together. Oh gosh, look at all of this flavor. Flavor! And so we're basically gonna make a dough.
A dough.
A dough. And we're gonna make some gnocchi.
Gnocchi.
Yes. You know, we traveled to Europe with Cairo.
Yeah.
And this was
She
Cairo's...
was right behind me in the plane.
Yes, and this was Cairo's first time actually going to Europe. Usually this recipe, it takes like 2 cups of flour. How you know that your dough is looking good in the way you want it to is when the flour starts to pull away from the bowl, and that's what it's starting to do now. So the trick with making gnocchi, you wanna make sure that the flour is wet enough, but also not too dry, because we want it to have like that nice pillowy consistency and filling to it, right? The easiest way to cut things in half and just kind of get the dough at like the evenly sized out, should I say, you just keep on cutting them in half. So now I'm just gonna cut this in half. While Mommy starts cutting this up, can you just dust this sheet tray with some flour?
Sure.
There you go. Perfect. Okay. So you see how the gnocchi is starting to form? And they look like little pillows. Okay, Cree. So you can leave this just like this if you want to, but Mommy's gonna show you a little trick. So watch what Mommy does, okay? She's just gonna use her thumb and she's
I want to make a little pattern on it.
Yeah. So you see?
Yeah.
Look at that. We have a cute little gnocchi. So we'll go ahead and put these all on the sheet tray. So Cree, do you remember when we were on our way to Florence from Portofino. And the driver had mentioned that we were in Tuscany. And what's really cool about Tuscany, do you remember seeing that big mountain? And this mountain actually has marble on the mountain. So this like marble that you see here, that was what the mountain was made of. And it was just so incredibly cool to see where the actual marble like came from, or where it comes from. We have our lasagna in the oven, and you said it smells like what?
Italy.
Italy. I think that is a great sign. Now let's get cooking. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Right, Cree. So it's now time for us to start cooking our pasta.
And then after that, we start eating.
Yes. So mommy has already melted some butter, right? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add in my onions. And now we have our pasta water here. We've salted this and it's nice and hot and we have a nice boil. So now mommy's just gonna start adding our pasta.
That's like jacuzzi water.
Jacuzzi water, yeah, Cree. Okay, see, mommy's just gonna go ahead and add the gnocchi into the pot. Do you wanna help? Yes. Do you wanna do this?
Yes.
Okay, and how you know that the gnocchi is done is when it starts to float up at the top.
Really?
Right? Yeah. Okay.
That's a good sign.
Right? Okay, so you go ahead and just go ahead and slowly add that into the pot. There we go. All right, Cree, while you are loading into the gnocchi, remember, keep it low.
I got it.
Low and slow. There you go. Mommy's gonna add some tomato paste. So this is my quick fix version of tomato sauce. So instead of using canned tomatoes, I am using tomato paste. Oh, Cree, this smells like Italy!
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make this a little more decadent and I'm gonna add some heavy cream. Look at this, Cree. Oh, now I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. Look at this. Ooh, wow. Amazing, right?
Oh yeah.
You see how the gnocchi is floating to the top? So it is ready. And now we're just gonna start transferring this into the sauce, okay? So when you're cooking this pasta, you wanna make sure that the sauce is ready before the pasta because we don't wanna overcook this pasta. Ooh, Cree, this is looking so amazing, right? Oh, did you see that cheese pull? Look at that cheese pull. Look at this. And we are not even done. Today,
Really?
it is all about the taste of Italy, right? And it's all about pasta, pasta, pasta. And we have another pasta dish to make. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to eat all of them.
This is a great quick fix meal. It is cheese, butter, pepper, and pasta. This pasta is, I'm telling you, the quick fix pasta. Cacio e Pepe. I'm gonna drop my pasta in. Now, the tip with spaghetti pasta is you have to constantly stir because you don't want your spaghetti pasta to stick. This dish is so quick, you guys, but it is so delicious. Okay, Cree, can you do mommy a favor? And can you just kind of swirl the butter around? There we go.
Wait, what's
We have just been in this kitchen just making so much pasta. Do you remember when we were on our way to Florence? We had stopped in Tuscany and the driver was like, you know, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is just like 30 minutes away. Do you remember that?
Yeah,
So I wanted to take you guys there and to show Cairo and to show Cree the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And when I got there, I got really emotional and I wasn't really expecting to, but remember mommy just started crying?
Yeah, you did.
I got very emotional because the last time I was there was when I was in college and I was in my 20s.
Did it look the same?
It looked exactly the same. But what was so crazy was now, you know, years later, I was able to bring my children there. It was just a surreal moment, you know, just to also see just how fast life goes by. Okay, mommy's gonna taste this.
Hot.
You know how you can tell if pasta's done?
Yeah.
You throw the pasta at a wall, and if it sticks, then it's done. I'm only doing this because you're my child. Children do not do this at home. Parents, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, ready? Let's see if this sticks. Go, throw it. and see if it sticks.
Oh, you have to just throw it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! So baby, this is done, boo-boo. The butter is melted. We're about to turn this off. And now mommy's just gonna start adding her pasta.
Let's go.
Let's go! Woo! Oh, Creed, you hear that?
Oh, yeah.
We are trying to get the cheese to melt and stick to the pasta, okay? So that's what we're looking for here. Oof, look at you go, boo-boo. Go ahead, add some pepper, Creed. There we go. All right, Creed, this is looking amazing. Are you ready to taste all of our dishes?
Yeah.
All right, let's start plating it up. Ready? You wanna try the gnocchi first?
Yeah.
Let's do it, okay. Creed. Then we have our lasagna here. This is the best part. Grab that part right there. Oh! So far, this one's my favorite. Really good. All of this reminds me of Italy. This really reminds me of Italy. Ah, the taste, the smell. What a trip down memory lane. What is your favorite taste of Italy? Let me know what you would like for me to whip up next, and we just may try it. And remember to tell your friends to check out Quick Fix and subscribe. Ciao.
Ciao.